everyone. We have an exciting topic for today, and that is data scientist versus data analyst. So, the question is that can you become a good data scientist? The answer is yes. Currently, all of us are living in an information driven world, and organizations rely on data for various decision makings. This is in turn provides a lot of job opportunities for candidates who can play with data. Out of the many jobs role in the field of data science, the two popular ones are pair of a data scientist and a data analyst. Haven't we all wondered at some point is what the exact difference between these two job roles? So wait, are they the same way? They define various ways and you will see how in this lecture. We will start off by taking a look at the job description of both the data scientist and data analyst. Then we will look at their responsibilities, then skill sets. We also have a look at their salary structures, and in the end we will see how company hiring these professionals. So let's get started. Let's have a look at the job description. Now a data scientist is a professional who uses different statistical method, data analysis technique and machine learning in order to understand and analyze data. In order to arrive at business conclusion, they proactively fetch information from plethora of resources and analyze it for better understanding about how the business perform, and they also build AI tools that automate certain processes company within the company. They drive meaning out of messy and unstructured data. A data scientist is usually a senior most member in the team. So let's see the move on data analyst. So moving to the description of data analyst, a data analyst is responsible to collect, process and perform analysis on large data set. They deal with the data handling, data modeling and reporting. They are sometimes the entry level members into the data analyst team. They bring the technical expertise to ensure the quality of accuracy of the data, then process designing and present it in ways to help people, businesses and organization makes better decision. After a few years of experience, data analyst can move into the role of the data engineer and a data scientist. Now that we have understood the job description, now let's go ahead and understand various role and responsibilities of data scientist and data analyst. So look at responsibility of data scientist versus data analyst. Data processing. Firstly, we are seeing here data scientist responsibilities. Mention here 4 points: data processing, interpretation of data, then machine learning model, then build data visualization. So let's start with data processing. So firstly, data scientists are responsible for performing cleaning, processing and manipulation of data using several data analytics tool. They also perform ad hoc data mining and data and collect large sets of unstructured and structured data from a number of resources. So what I'm saying, again I'm repeating, data scientists are responsible for performing cleaning, processing and manipulation of data using several data analytics tool. They also perform ad hoc data mining and collect large set of unstructured and its structured data from a number of resources. So the other one is interpretation of data. So देखते हैं secondly, data scientists interpret the data using various statistical method. They design and evaluate advanced statistical method to work on big data. Then thirdly, data scientists regularly build predictive model and machine learning algorithm to work on vast volumes of data. Lastly, data scientists use visualization packages and tools to create reports and dashboards for relevant stakeholders. They also work with data and analyst and data engineer to formulate the analysis results. Let's now have a look at the various responsibility of a data analyst. So, the first responsibility of data analyst is to recognize and understand the company's goal. This in turn helps in streamlining the whole analysis process. They are required to assess the available resources, comprehend the business problem, and gather the right set of data. This step is done by collaborating with different team members such as data scientists, business analysts, and maybe programmers. Then gather the data from various databases and warehouses through query. They write a complex SQL queries and script together and extract information. Filters and clean data. Data analysts also filter and clean data to get the required information. They are responsible for data mining as well. Data is mined from various sources and then organized in order to obtain new information from it. Data analysts identify and analyze trends in complex data sets using various statistical tool, you can say. So the fourth one is preparation of summary reports. A data analyst is also responsible for creating summary report for the leadership team so that they can make timely decision. Data analysts use multiple data visualization tool for achieving this in order to achieve all the mentioned responsibilities. All right. Then data scientists and data analysts required to possess a rich skill set, obviously. Let's see. So let's see have a look at few of the most important skills required to back to the position of data scientist. The basic requirement to become a data scientist is you must have a sense of IT. Okay. Then you also held a degree of bachelor in CS or IT. But a master degree in the field of data science will be a lot more beneficial. You also need a good experience in the analytics domain. As I mentioned before, this role is a senior role, and to get here the right amount of experience is a must. Let's have a look at the tools you need to know. Knowledge of Microsoft Excel. So the knowledge of Microsoft Excel is good. It is one of the most basic requirement. Obviously, programming languages. You should be good at Python, C++, Java. You should also be proficient in SQL. Okay, so you should have a good um, so I'm saying you should be good at Python, C++, Java, and many other languages. As we discussed earlier, data scientists work on building machine learning algorithms. Hence, you need to have a good knowledge of machine learning and deep learning, familiarity, Apache, Spark. Apache is necessary along with the knowledge of Hadoop. Data visualization and BI skills are necessary for creating reports and dashboards. You should also be able to communicate and present information and ideas clearly. So, these are the skills required to become a data scientist. Let's talk about data analyst. So, if you want to explore the role of a data analyst, then you should have hold a degree in any relevant field, be in engineering, in computer science, information technology, or electrical engineering. You can also be a graduate in statistics or economics. There is no mandatory for data analyst you have a degree of computer science. So you can take any degree like statistics or commerce, etc. Moving to the tools, once again you should be familiar with the Microsoft Excel in data analyst job. The next important skill that you should hold good hands-on experience with programming language such as Python, R, JavaScript. This would help you write a program to solve complex problem. You should also have a good knowledge of statistical analytics and data analytics tools such as SAS, Miner, SSES. You must be able to write thread SQL queries and procedure. In addition to these, you must have a strong understanding of statistics and machine learning algorithm. This includes concepts such as hypothesis testing, probability distribution, and various classification and clustering techniques. Most importantly, our data should be able to create, visualize appealing reports with the help of charts and graphs using several data visualization tools such as Power BI and Tableau. They must possess good presentation skills as well in order to convey their ideas to client. And stakeholder is a better way. So these are the skills that are required to become a data analyst. So I hope you got my point. Thank you.